Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Game Pass Ultimate, Android 7, 0 or higher, and reliable Wi-Fi or 5G. Open the Play Store now, install Xbox Game Pass Beta or the Cloud Gaming module, and sign into the same Microsoft account that holds the subscription. Once done, grant location and storage permissions so streaming can initialize. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled if you plan to use a wireless controller. Then pair your controller before launching a game. You now pair your controller and fine-tune settings. From Android Bluetooth, pair your Xbox or compatible controller. Confirm inputs respond. Open the Game Pass app, choose the cloud or play from the cloud tab, then pick a supported title. Before you hit play, open app settings to set streaming quality. Choose lower resolution to reduce latency on weak networks. Once configured, tap play and wait for the session to stream. Expect a few seconds for server handling. You finish by validating the session and resolving common issues. If you notice stutter or input lag, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi, move closer to your router, or use mobile data if permitted. If a game refuses to load, force stop the app, clear cache, and reboot your phone, then sign back in. Make sure your account region and Game Pass subscription include Cloud Play. If problems persist, test another title to isolate network versus account issues and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.